Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Kumusta? So sabi ko kanina mag-unboxing ako ng birthday gift ko sa sarili ko. No? So kahapon nung nagkakat ako ng grass, nagmumow ako ng grass sa harap, nakita ko may box sa harap namin. Sa likod kasi ako duman eh. Sabi ko parang na-excite ako. So kahit paano, okay naman. Kahit air gun lang to. No? Na-excite ako. Kaya sabi ko, sige tara, excited na akong buksan and testingin. Okay, first things first, let's open it up. So, I'm trying to control my firearm purchase plus my CHL license expired on my birthday and I have not received any information about my renewal. So I said let's buy an air gun for the meantime. For the meantime, let's do air gunning. Okay, let's do air gunning. Okay. A box inside the box. A box inside the box. I am excited. So this air gun has been out for a while, but I got this for around 130, and wow, it's beautiful. It's a Beeman Marshall 2028. 2028 is the 22 cal. 2027 is the 177. So this is my gift to myself. What is this? 2 magazines, single loading mechanism, field probe, and other stuff. Screw. Wow, this is a big gun. I like it. Big gun, big pistol. Okay, wow. That's a little bit of air. A little bit of air inside. Nice. Look at the wood. Fiber optic front sight. Fiber optic rear sight. Adjustable for windage and elevation. I like it. Beautiful gun. Beautiful wood. I don't know why people are converting this to a synthetic stock pistol. Well, the wood is beautiful. Okay, I got lucky. No scratches, no damages on the stock. Yeah, frame. Wow, this is a big gun. If you can see my hand. Wow. I like it. I like it. Me likey. So, safe direction. Wow, it's loud. It is loud. It is loud. Ha. It's loud. I see the air. Okay, still in the green. This is loud. Look at the air tube. Okay guys, ang ganda, ang laki. Ha? Tapos sinip nila to puno ng air, oh. Oh, it's almost full nung nakuha ko. Surprisingly weird kasi usually pag nagsiship sila empty ang air tank. Okay. Ganda ng wood. Tayo gusto natin mga wood na ngayon. Ayaw ko na ng mga tactical. Tsaka meron ako synthetic stock, 'di ba, yung 25 caliber. The reason na binili ko to, unang-una, matagal ko na tong gustong bilhin yan, B-Man. Hindi ko lang ma-justify. Sabi ko, mahal naman, ganyan. Kailangan ko ba talaga yan? And, nagagandahan talaga ako. Tsaka malaki. Tapos, 22 caliber, kasi yung Hatsan ko, na Jet 1, maganda siya, malakas. Kaso 25 caliber, no? Hindi mo siya pwedeng araw-arawin kasi mahal ang bala ng 25 caliber. Ito namang 22 caliber, ang dami kong stockpile na na 22 caliber. Every time na pupunta ako ng Walmart dati, safety natin. Every time pupunta ako sa Walmart dati, bumibili ako ng mga tin can ng 22 cal. So to, pwede ko tong gamitin araw-araw. Dami tayong stock dyan. As a prepper, nag-stock ako ng 22 cal. Tapos, sabi ko, okay, total birthday gift ko sa sarili ko. Actually, naghahanap nga ako ng ng powder burner 22LR na may wood stock. Nakita ko, ang ganda ng stock na ito, oh. Ganda. Ganda. Kinis, walang imperfections. Nakapanghinayang gamitin, baka magasgasan. Ano, pwedeng safe queen. Okay. So siguro, pwede rin naman siguro dalhin to pa nagka-camping. By the way, ang rules dito sa Amerika, hindi pwedeng magdala ng airgun sa state park. Pero pag national park, national forest, pwede. No? Or sa property ko, pag nag-camping ako, pwede. Ano kaya to? Feel layo. Okay. Gulat lang ako, laki. Alam ko, malaki siya, pero ang laki. Pistol. Pwede siyang silhouette gun. Papakita ko sana paano pagbomba ng air, kaso halos puno pa eh. Hindi pa to kailangan bombaan, no? So, tara, labas tayo. Testingin natin. Power, tsaka accuracy. Ka na rin. Sight in. Okay. Let's test it out, and also let's see how loud is this gun outside. Okay. The reason I bought this is for me to use my Crosman Premier Hollow Point 22 cal pellets. iPro. Oh, let's shoot. First, let's test the power up close. Already here. Let's test the power. Use the magazines. They're easy to load, easier than the Benjamin Marauder, than the Hudson, and what's my other, Umarex. There you go. So let's test the power. Safety off. Let's move back a bit. Here we go. That's loud, man. That is loud. Whew. Entry. Wow. That's a big entry. Exit. Exit. Opposite of what I'm expecting. Entry wound is bigger than the exit wound. Hopefully I don't disturb the neighbors. This thing is loud. Similar with my Hudson Jet 1. I don't know if I can shoot this with this muzzle, no muzzle device. Let me check the zero. So quiet. It is so quiet. let me check what's available moderator for this. Huh. It's loud. Okay. So, I think that's the last. We need to go inside before somebody calls the cops. Hey guys, dito tayo sa loob ng bahay. Natatakot ako gamitin kasi baka ma-alarma yung kapitbahay namin. Baka may magsumbong. Baka akala nila powder burner. Pero ang lakas kasi. Ang lakas kasi. Pero yan, nagulat din ako yung entry wound niya mas malaki sa exit wound. If I have to imagine an explanation, siguro dahil hollow point yung gamit ko, nag-expand on impact. Tapos yung exit wound niya may natira pa rin, may lumabas pa rin. Matigas tong lata na to Matigas to, mas matigas pa to sa sardinas, lata ng sardinas. Yun lang. So, kailangan palitan yung muzzle nito, para gamitan natin ng moderator para maging backyard friendly. So far, hindi talaga maa-alarma ang neighbor, pero imagine niyo ang laki na nito pag nilagyan pa natin, nilagyan pa natin ng moderator, masahaba, pero at least magiging backyard friendly. Too powerful for the backyard, yung sound. I think, pero yung impact niya okay lang kasi maganda naman yung ating target. So hindi to nakakasa, tas nakasave pa. Hindi to nakakasa. So that's it guys. Ito yung aking birthday gift for 2025 sa sarili ko. I think it's something na pwedeng itago talaga. Ganda. Tapos konti, siguro naka-4 na shot na ba ako, konti pala yung nabawas. Yan guys. So for the meantime na hindi tayo makapag-range time ng powder burners, airgun muna. Actually, mas matipid to. See you next time. Bye!